can the future of artificial intelligence be envisioned without the guiding hand of Sam Altman? What does his departure signify for the course of OpenAI? These are the questions that have been reverberating through the AI community as we delve into the implications of this significant transition. Sam Altman, a name synonymous with the rise and evolution of OpenAI, has left an indelible mark on the artificial intelligence landscape. His journey with OpenAI began as a co-founder, a role that saw him pioneering the organization's vision and direction. Altman's leadership proved instrumental in not just shaping OpenAI, but also in steering the broader discourse on artificial intelligence. Under his stewardship, OpenAI soared to new heights, with breakthroughs that have redefined the boundaries of AI. One of the crowning achievements during his tenure was the development of GPT-3, a language processing AI that has broadened our understanding of machine learning capabilities. Another remarkable accomplishment was the creation of ChatGPT, an AI chatbot that has pushed the frontier of human-AI interaction. Yet all journeys must have their sunset, and for Altman, the setting sun marked the end of his tenure at OpenAI. His departure was met with a wave of speculation and conjecture, the reasons behind which were a lack of transparency with the board. So what does this mean for the future of OpenAI, and indeed, the future of artificial intelligence? The departure of a visionary like Altman undoubtedly leaves a void, but it also paves the way for new perspectives and directions. It is an opportunity for OpenAI to reassess its course and realign its objectives in the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. In the wake of Altman's departure, there are pertinent questions about the transparency and accountability of AI organizations. It highlights the need for robust governance models in AI, ensuring that the development and deployment of these technologies are carried out responsibly and ethically. In a nutshell, Sam Altman's departure from OpenAI is a significant event that has far-reaching implications. It marks the end of an era, but also the dawn of a new chapter. His contributions to OpenAI and the broader AI community will continue to resonate, shaping the future of artificial intelligence in ways yet to be seen. The future of AI, much like its nature, remains an open-ended question, but one thing is certain: the departure of Sam Altman has set the stage for a new era in artificial intelligence. As we move forward, the lessons learned and the legacy left behind by Altman will be instrumental in shaping the trajectory of OpenAI and the broader AI landscape.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.